Good morning, everyone. Uh, it is 6:30 a.m. It's early. I'm still in California. I am in the Malibu area. I am out of propane for my stove, and I'm trying to find it. Like, I search Walmart. I search a couple Walmarts. I cannot find the propane anywhere. Okay, let's go see if Ralph have their propane. It's a little chilly. You need a jacket and a hat. Hi, good morning. Yeah, so this is the area they said it is in. But I don't see any propane. And there is no propane. Alright, they said they don't carry them anymore. So, it's like so hard to find propane down here. It's unbelievable. Thank you. It's so hard to find propane. Unbelievable. I should have stocked up on propane when I was in Vegas, but I didn't know that propane was hard to come by here down in California. Yeah, I'm going over to Orange County later. So I'm hoping I might find it over there, but I doubt it as well. I don't think I'll be able to find it over there either. All right, so what do I do now? Because I'm not able to cook. I can't even make myself a cup of tea. All right, so I know you're probably wondering about this horrible toothache I had last week where I was crying, and you're probably wondering what happened to that. So the question is, did I just get a temporary fix, or did I go to the dentist and get it properly fixed? Well, I will talk to you about it later, but first, I'm going to have breakfast and then go do my laundry and get back into this cozy spot that I've been staying for the past 3 days. And I can properly talk to you about it. Welcome to Balboa Island. I am in Newport Beach. Oh man, this is just beautiful. Oh my God, I wish the day was nicer because it's chilly. Because I just come across this place by accident. Yeah, and this is a good accident. I'll find somewhere to have some breakfast. The weather is not that great today. It's just very unfriendly. It's like currently 51 degrees and no sun, not sunny at all. The sky is gray. It's chilly. Like, most people are wearing their hats and jacket.
I know. I understand, but I didn't.
My breakfast is here. Look at this. I paid $17 for this omelet. That's a lot of food. is windy and cold. Alright, so I just blacked it off because there's someone behind me. Yeah, I don't want that person behind me to see what I'm doing in here. So I'm going to gather my laundry. Well, I'm still on Bobo Island. The island is tiny, so I can't be opening up the back of my car and, you know, and get the laundry, because everyone's going to see that I have a bed in here. There's no privacy. I have to change because I'm washing the clothes that I was wearing. Taking the bedspread off. Woo! Glad I made it over here. Alright, so I did my laundry and I'm done. I'm just doing the final touches, like my pillows and stuff like that. It's getting hot right now. It warms up, like really warm. I met this girl in the laundromat. She keeps following me around. I guess she wants to be my friend. Nice girl. Very nice. But I can't be friends with her right now because she's not going to understand this. I'm making my bed and I can't have her see this. So, I don't know. She keep coming out, waving. Like, hi. You know, I can't be friends with her right now, because I'm busy making my bed. Woo. All right. I put my sun hat on. The sun is beaming in. All right, so let's go take the ferry. See what's going on over the other side of the bay. I could really see myself living here. It is gorgeous. All right, so I'm back in the spot that I've been staying for the past 3 nights. I've been here for 3 nights, and it's like you saw me driving up. It's underneath a garage. It's nice and warm in here because outside is way too cold. So I met this lady, another car lifer, and she is from Arizona. So this is one of her favorite place to stay whenever she is in California and the weather is cold. She always come here, and now she's behind me. Yeah, we've been friends for 4 days now. Nice girl. She's in the other spot. I guess you could see her light, her car light through there. She can, yeah. So yeah, she doesn't like the camera. She likes to travel without any camera on her, and I don't blame her. It's tough sleeping in the cold at night. It's tough. So here is perfect. Like, no one's bothering me. Then I'm very discreet. I fit in perfectly. I hope it's not too dark. That's better. All right, so update and my toothache, like I promised in the last video last week that I posted. I was in terrible pain. Yeah, so like I said, this Mexican lady, very nice lady, she's in Malibu, and she recommended me to this clinic, a clinic that she always go to. That's one of her favorites. She has been going there for years, so she recommend. I made a phone call, and they told me to come in the next day, so I did. I went in, and they asked for insurance. I told them I don't have any insurance, so they asked me if I want to pay out of pocket, and I said not right now because I don't have any money, and I really want to see the dentist because I'm in terrible pain. So the lady says, all right, so we will bill you. And she took my information. I gave them my name. I gave them my address down in California, which I gave them Ralph's supermarket address. And I saw the dentist. I waited for it was about an hour and a half wait before I saw the dentist. I went in, and he checked. He said, yeah, one of my filling fell out, and the cold doesn't do it any justice. That's why I'm in such horrible pain. So he was saying that I probably been going out in the cold or staying in the cold for too long. My mouth swelled up and been irritated. So he put the filling back in, and yeah, now I have a filling. Everything is good. Nothing swollen. See, both sides is okay, and I can eat normally again because the filling is back in there. I don't know how much they're gonna charge me for this. There should be a bill in the mail, I believe. But I hope not. I hope not. Yeah, I don't have any more pain. Everything is taken care of. I am pain-free. I can eat whatever I want. My speech is better because, yeah, like on the last video, I was speaking probably funny, and people, I've noticed that. But at the time, I felt some pain, discomfort, but it wasn't bad until a couple days later, when all hell broke loose. So now I am pain-free. He put the filling back in, and I'm good again. So I thank you guys so much for your support and everything. But I am okay. I'm doing great, and I'm back on track. Like you see, you spent the day with me today. We enjoy Balboa Island, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Balboa Island. It's a beautiful island. I found, can you believe I found that place by accident? It's random. I was heading to Orange County, and for some reason I made a wrong turn, and then all of a sudden I kind of end up in this island. And I spent my day there. Did my laundry out there. I did everything, and now that area is on my top favorite. And believe it or not, there's parking all over, so you can get away with sleeping on the island for days. They don't care. Like, it's very car life friendly. Like, you can park your car and get away with it for days. If it wasn't that cold, I wouldn't be in this garage. I would be in Baba Island right now. Yeah, I would be right there spending the night. Beautiful. I really enjoy my time there. All right, so I'm going to end the video here. And thank you so much for your support and your kind words. And I'll see you next week. Goodbye from California.